हम यहाँ पर जो है वो मैडलिन के साथ हैं, जर्मनी से आए हैं पाकिस्तान साइकिल पर, और हम जा रहे हैं सबसे पहले नाश्ता करने के लिए, क्योंकि मैडलिन को जो है वो पाकिस्तान और स्पेशली कराची का अंडा पराठा खाना है। मैडलिन को जो है वो कराची में अंडा पराठा खाना है और चाय भी पीनी है, लेकिन कम शुगर वाली। तो हमारे लिए लेकर आइए 2 पराठे नर और 2 ऑमलेट लेकर आइएगा, और चाय लेकर आइए एक कम चीनी वाली और मेरे लिए बगैर चीनी वाली।
My name is Madeline Hoffman. I am originally from Germany, but I have been living in Australia the last 10 years. And last year in August, I decided to travel with my bicycle from Germany to Turkey to meet my father for the first time. Because I grew up with my single mom and my 2 sisters and actually never knew about the identity of my father. So last year, I finally went on this journey to Turkey to meet my father. So I cycled through 11 countries to finally arrive in Turkey, meet my father, my Turkish culture, and my Turkish family. I then spent 7 weeks with my father and my Turkish family and decided that I cannot stop this journey there. And I went to the Middle East, cycled through Jordan, Saudi Arabia, UAE, and finally took the plane to Karachi. It has been one of my biggest dreams on this journey to come to Pakistan because I have never been here. And so here in Pakistan, I have tried halwa and puri. Of course, I drank a lot of chai already. I ate aloo paratha and also biryani. The Pakistanis are very friendly. I would give the advice to not overthink it. Most of the time, you don't need the most expensive gear. I, for example, sourced all of my gear secondhand. Yeah, Urdu, I have not learned so much yet in Urdu, but of course I know about inshallah, mashallah, and shukriya, and yeah, I'm trying to get better, learn more. So hopefully during my time in Pakistan, I can pick up more Urdu.